In this video, we are going to see how we can save the ChatGPT conversation as Google Docs, PDF, or any Word document. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. All you have to do is just open up the chat that includes an article or whatever information you want to save. And once you generate some results, it will show you the download option directly. So you can download it either as a Word document or either as a PDF. So you get this option in every single chat. Let's just try any other chat. So for example, I want to write here, give me names of top 10 countries with air quality index. Let's say I generated this result. So in this case, since it is not an article, it will not show you the download option here. So for the articles, it will show the download option, and for other information, it might not show it. So in that case, what you need to do is just open up Google and right here, Chrome Web Store, hit enter. We can get any extension for free. We just open that up. And we simply write here ChatGPT to doc, hit enter. And what we need to do is just get this extension, that is Python solve. Click on that, click on add to Chrome, click add extension. And once it is added, it will show you the sample of what options do we get to download this. You will get this other buttons to download any conversation in any format you want. So let's just try it. After that, you hit refresh and you open up the same chat. Let's say I have opened this one. For any chat, even for the normal conversation, you have the option directly to export it as a Word document. It will immediately create a Word document out of it. You click on save. You can get the PDF version. It will immediately create the PDF for that, just like this. And let's actually try to open this up. So this is the PDF form. This is in Word. So see how perfectly it has done its job. And you can also customize the settings and manage the export buttons accordingly. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.